In today's video, I'll show you how to add or change a currency in Zoho Books, making your financial management seamless for international business. Start by going to the Settings section, your central hub for customizing Zoho Books. Under the Organization section, select Currencies. Here you can manage all your currency settings, including adding new currencies. Click the plus new currency button. In the pop-up, choose your desired currency from the drop-down list. Zoho Books will automatically fill in the currency symbol and name, though you can adjust these if needed. Next, set the decimal places and format to match your regional or business preferences. For example, some currencies like Japanese yen don't use decimals. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new currency is now ready to use in invoices, reports, and all other financial documents in Zoho Books. And that's it. You've successfully updated your currency settings, keeping your business finances accurate and globally ready.